sloka a day. A sloka a day keeps you free from shoka. Study the namas in each sloka. Understand their meanings. Memorize the words. Repeat them as often as you can. Recite the mantras, causing deep vibrations. Praise Him, worship Him, and prostrate yourself before Him. Meditate on the namas and the mantras. Become receptive and thus reap the fruit of divine grace. It helps you to chart out a sure and joyous journey towards eternal bliss. Ramo viramo virato.
Ramo viramo virato.
Margo neyo nayo nayaha.
Margo neyo nayo nayaha.
Virashaktimatam shrestho.
Virashaktimatam shrestho.
Dharmo dharmaviduttamaha.
Dharmo dharmaviduttamaha.
Ramaha.
Ramaha.
Viramaha.
Viramaha.
Virataha.
Virataha.
Margaha.
Margaha.
Virajo margaha.
Virajo margaha.
Neyaha.
Neyaha.
Nayaha.
Nayaha.
Anayaha.
Anayaha.
Viraha.
Viraha.
Shaktimatam shresthaha.
Shaktimatam shresthaha.
Dharmaha.
Dharmaha.
Dharmaviduttamaha.
Dharmaviduttamaha.
Om Ramaya Namaha.
Om Ramaya Namaha.
Om Viramaya Namaha.
Om Viramaya Namaha.
Om Virataya Namaha.
Om Virataya Namaha.
Om Virajo Margaya Namaha.
Om Virajo Margaya Namaha.
Om Neyaya Namaha.
Om Neyaya Namaha.
Om Nayaya Namaha.
Om Nayaya Namaha.
Om Anayaya Namaha.
Om Anayaya Namaha.
Om Viraya Namaha.
Om Viraya Namaha.
Om Shaktimatam Shreshthaya Namaha.
Om Shaktimatam Shreshthaya Namaha.
Om Dharmaya Namaha.
Om Dharmaya Namaha.
Om Dharmaviduttamaya Namaha.
Om Dharmaviduttamaya Namaha.
His form and character leave everyone spellbound. Those that grant boons, those that receive them, and the boons themselves terminate in him. Disinterested by nature, he is indifferent to the power of kingship in the Ramavatara. He shows the way to the yogis and munis to reach him. He is the ultimate recourse to everyone. He is outstanding among all the gods. He is Dharma, the very embodiment of Dharma, and he is preeminent among the knowers of Dharma.